The initiative of the $44, was it, a fortnight? If you have a day off, if you work a 4-day week and the day off you have. I have asked other people in the room, how is that financed? And I understand now that it's from the general account, if they have funds in the FNPF. And if they don't have any money in the general account, it comes from that $100 million which you've allocated to it. Is that correct?
Yes. In respect of the second one, yes, that's how it works. It comes from the general account. And then, as you know, that we're moving away from lump sum payments or lump sum withdrawals, because a lot of people have complained that when they do the lump sum payments, some people get tempted to go and buy something down the road from Gokul's and buy a TV or something. That has happened, actually. But if you pay on a fortnightly basis, it's essentially like getting a pay. And you would have seen that we have not moved them to Ministry of Social Welfare. It's the psychology of it all. We're calling it unemployment benefits, and we've said each time the application is for 5 weeks, because we want to be able to do an assessment what's happened to that person after 5 weeks, because they may get re-employed. For example, if somebody's been let off from your factory because of lack of orders, but in 5 weeks' time you may actually re-employ them. So that's the kind of checks and balances we need to put in place. And yes, if they have money in the general account, they can use that, or it will be used from that source. If they don't, then we top it up. In the same way, for example, we've topped up for a lot of people, who did not have the initial $1,000 capacity to withdraw from the general account, or the subsequent withdrawals they were allowed to do. We are topping that up. In fact, we just shifted some money yesterday to the FNPF account.